Hello everyone, I am Saitec and welcome back to my channel Saitec. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the heating issue which is going on in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So which has been reported by plenty of subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So right now, I am using the OnePlus Nord 2 for about close to 5 days of usage, and during this time, I did feel the slightly phone is getting heat on the back side. So this is not the new problem. This is not the new problem because I did use a couple of OnePlus phones, OnePlus 9R, and right now even OnePlus 8T as well. Even the OnePlus 9R in the beginning, the phone used to get a lot of heat, but later with the software update, the heating problem got decreased in the OnePlus 9R. So hopefully, maybe the OnePlus Nord 2, even that might be happening. I think so. Let me try to explain what are the normal temperatures which I'm experiencing. So if you don't play the game, so without any kind of gaming, and if you try to use the 4G data, and if you try to use the normal applications like WhatsApp and Gmail and YouTube, watch the YouTube, maybe Amazon Prime, the temperatures might slightly increase in the backside in this kind of area. Yes. So if you try to hold the phone, try to hold in this area, you will feel slightly more temperatures in this in this spot. As you can see, friends, in this spot exactly. So if you ask me, is this normal? I would say it's not normal because in other phones, with the similar usage, you will find the little bit kind of less temperatures. So around 1-2 degrees, 1 or 2 degrees slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2 when compared with the other phone. That's what I did find out in my testing as well. So whenever I try to do the benchmarks or maybe the normal gaming test, doesn't matter, any gaming test or anything, the OnePlus Nord 2 little bit having the slight more temperature. That is what I did experience in my usage. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, in case if you have the OnePlus Nord 2, are you experiencing any kind of heating problems or not? That's what I'm going to look of the comments, because I'm not sure exactly how many users are actually facing this kind of issues regarding the heating problems in the phone. But with the normal usage, yes, the phone is slightly tend to get heat on the backside in this area exactly. So hopefully we might get a software update which may be fixing this kind of issue as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.